And we made it. Big rig on the scene. So just a little background on this Keystone Select Creek. I've known about this place for about 2 or 3 years now, and I've been anticipating the day that I finally get to fish it. There are big trout in this creek, and we are definitely gonna catch them today. Stay tuned, everybody. Man, I am so excited to finally fish this creek. Might have to bounce around a little bit so we can find some fish. Looks like there's quite a few anglers holding down some of the better holes. Not that I know where any of them are. Oh, he's got one. They're out there. Oh, man. He's decent. Oh, my gosh, dude. 3 bites, 3 misses. I mean, there's a ton in this pool.
We'll get one here in a second.
Yeah, there. There you go. We'll get one here in a second. Big rigs just called it. Man, this is like the smallest trout I've caught all year. You don't even know where to go. Well, there's gotta be something big out there. I can't believe the first one I caught was like...
Not even legal size of feet.
Yeah, dude, for real. Oh my, dude, you gotta be kidding me. These fish are literally just taking it and then just sitting there. There we go. Yep. He's all right. At least he looks like he belongs in this creek. That's a nice brownie. Net, bro. I need my net guy. And there we go. Here we go. First decent brownie. Oh, he's on it. Oh, he's off it. Hit that thing like a freight train. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, man. Are you kidding me, dude? This one's all right, too. Number 3 for me, another brownie. Number 3, nothing really too sizable yet. It's all right though, catch some fish. Damn, dude.
I know, little guy, but...
Yeah, man, what's the deal with this size? It's like such a generic looking stocked fish.
Yeah, this is like a cookie cutter.
There we go. Number 4, maybe 5, up. There he goes. Another little guy. I didn't even realize he was on there. And there he goes.
There he is. I got him that time. There he is.
There you go.
Woo.
Oh man, a lot of misses today. Oh. Yeah, boy. There you go. Look at that.
That's a thick one,
That
boy.
is definitely why we came here.
Oh my goodness, look at him.
That is a nice one. Only nice one of the day. Look at the nice top fin on that. The dorsal is beautiful.
He's got a fly snag in his bag.
Oh, snap. Nice fish, man.
Yeah.
Good job. Yeah, that is a nice fish, dude. Oh! That is a nice fish, dude. Oh!
Oh, he's gone.
He took a little slam dunk there, but Keystone Select, that's why we came here. Well, Big Rig just got the first bigs of the day. Hopefully we're gonna get one ourselves pretty soon here. Oh, look at that. Someone lost an entire box of nymphs. That is a good freaking find. My lucky day. That is going right in the pocket. Now hopefully this is gonna be the spot where we catch some more. I do not see big rig anywhere. This looks like a hole. There's gotta be something here. Alrighty, I can see a little palomino out there. See if he's gonna bite. Probably not. But one thing you can always look for in a creek is if you see a palomino, you can assume that there are probably some other trout around it that you just can't see due to their coloring. There we go. There's another fish. Ah, he came off. Oh boy. Well, having a hard time keeping these trout pinned. That one wasn't too big though, so hopefully he's got a big brother out there somewhere that is still going to be willing to bite. There we go. There's another. That's a decent bow. About time, man. Waited a while for this fish. Here we go. That is a pretty decent one. Up here comes big rigs. As soon as I catch a fish. Ow! Well, there he goes. That's the only one I've caught. A lot of short strikes. Nice stock, man.
Yeah, it's a pretty solid stock.
All right, last hole before we got to get out of here. GoPro is about to die. Let's catch one more fish. I have 4% left on the GoPro charge. No idea if we're going to be able to get it done. Wasn't recording. Fish on. Oh my gosh, he freaking came off. We are now on the GoPro 3 session.
I see a bunch of fish. Like, look at the bridge of the guy when you got
Right out there, man. That's where they like it. Other GoPro died, so now we are down to the crappy
scraping bottom of the barrel here.
GoPro 3 session.
There you go.
Oh, damn, dude.
Ooh, flying bows,
Man.
folks. We got flying bows. Spunky.
Dude.
Spunky and chunky.
Oh, man.
I really like it.
That is another nice one. This spot is every cast, man. Another fish. Hope you guys can see that.